In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your comments on YouTube. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review everything you've said across videos on the platform, all in one place. First, open YouTube in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Your comments are tied to your account, so being logged in is essential. On the YouTube homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click History. If your sidebar is collapsed, you may need to click the menu icon at the top left to reveal it. The History page is where YouTube keeps a record of what you've watched and interacted with, and it also provides quick access to your comment history. Once you're on the History page, look for the section or link labeled Comments. Click Comments. This isn't just a filter. This opens a dedicated view of your comment activity. When you select it, YouTube will redirect you to Google's My Activity page that's specifically focused on your YouTube comments. Don't worry, this is the official Google Activity Hub, and it's the place where your YouTube comment history is organized in a clear chronological list. On the My Activity page for YouTube comments, you'll see each comment you've posted, along with the video it belongs to and the date. This is especially helpful if you're trying to revisit a conversation, check your tone on older threads, or quickly jump back to a video where you left feedback. Each item typically includes a link back to the original video, so you can review the full context of the discussion. You may also notice options to manage or remove your comment if you need to clean up something you no longer want displayed publicly. Keep in mind that changes you make here affect what others see on YouTube. A quick tip: if you use multiple Google accounts, verify that you're viewing the right one in the top right corner. Your comment history is unique to each account. Also, interfaces can change over time, but the path remains consistent: YouTube, then History, then Comments, and you'll land on Google's My Activity page for YouTube comments. That's all there is to it. Head to History, click Comments, and review your comment history on the My Activity page. If this helped you get organized or track down a conversation, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.